up, guys? Man Ninja here, and today I will be playing some Fallout 4 that I got. And I have seen a little gameplay of it. And I hope you'll like the series, so let's start. Well, just look at that armor. Holy crap. Hey, isn't that Voltec sign from the Fallout Shelter upgrade thing? I think so. Yeah, whatever, let's just start. Obviously, I'm new, so press new. Oh, there's add-ons? Oh yeah, there's DLCs like that robot DLC with Addy. And you have to get like a robot brain or something. Yeah. Is this thing gonna load? Okay. I don't know how to say that. Bethesda Game presents Fallout 4. Ooh, I'm excited! Yes! Wait, what should I name myself? I don't know.
War.
Oh yeah, obviously Buffer Games. Sorry, I'll turn my mic off.
War never changes. In the year 1945, my great-great-grandfather, serving in the army, wondered when he'd get to go home to his wife and the son he'd never seen. He got his wish when the U.S. ended World War II by dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The world awaited Armageddon. Instead, something miraculous happened. We began to use atomic energy not as a weapon, but as a nearly limitless source of power. People enjoyed luxuries once thought the realm of science fiction. Domestic robots, fusion-powered cars, portable computers. But then, in the 21st century, people awoke from the American dream. Years of consumption led to shortages of every major resource. The entire world unraveled. Peace became a distant memory. It is now the year 2077. We stand on the brink of total war. And I am afraid. For myself, for my wife, for my infant son. Because if my time in the army taught me one thing, it's that war never changes. War never changes.
You're gonna knock him dead at the Veterans Hall tonight, hun.
You think?
Absolutely. Now get ready and stop hogging the mirror.
Right.
Ooh! Oh, what?
Hey, my turn, big guy.
I can play as a woman?
Let me just slide in here.
Whoa! That is super weird. Oh, what's extras? Damage. What?
You have such strong cheekbones.
Wait, what? Scar? Oh, that's disgusting. The burns. I'm gonna do that. Accept.
Not bad. Not
What?
bad.
What? Oh. What's this? Oh. We could be the Joker! Joker! Yeah! That's awesome. Middle deep. So, okay, that's how.
Oh, that's the
What's-
face I fell in love with.
What's Splash Face? Blemish.
What do you think, hon? Roguishly handsome or handsomely roguish?
Oh. No. Whoa. I'm gonna apply that.
Oh, very strapping.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, frick. Back. Body. Muscular. Whoa. That is skinny. I can be fat. I'm gonna be all the way muscular. All the way. Yes! Face, extras, X, body. I think we are done. Confirm character. Yes! So we have create. What's all that smashing? Oh,
Hey, hon?
Nora.
Why don't you see if breakfast is ready?
Okay. What's all that glass smashing stuff? Ooh! Mr. Handy. Chair, sit. I think that's our baby,
Let
but
Codsworth take care of it. Another fine product of General Atomics International.
I don't think babies are supposed to sound like that. That sounds weird. Well, can I sit down? Oh, no. What's in here? It's our baby! Oh, teddy bear.
Huh.
Activate.
How'd you get on the floor, Mr. Bear?
What?
Can't wait to teach him to ride this. The glove's a little big right now, but Sean will grow into it. Should get this signed next time we're at the park.
By who? I can sit in the chair and watch my baby. Oh, there's a closet. Maybe the boogeyman's in there. Let's go check. Why can't it? Is this the trash? I think it is. Or like the clothes. Or dirty clothes. Ooh! Blaster radius. I can't read what that black text says. What's that? Is that a bowling ball? I don't know. Aw, come here, Sean. It's our baby. Coochie coochie goo. Bye bye, Sean. Oh, and I should tell you, I only have one headphone or
We really
earphone
need to
on
get those vacation photos developed.
from my headphones because I just really like it that way for some reason. So I'm not going to be able to hear things that are coming from the right.
Good morning, sir.
Ah, good morning, Mr. Handy.
3.5 degree Fahrenheit. Brewed to perfection.
Wait, what?
Today's newspaper just delivered.
Wait, degrees Fahrenheit? Wait, what? Oh.
Nuka-Cola. Ice cold.
Nuka-Cola. I bet it tastes like Coca-Cola.
Looks like the milk got delivered. Saddle up
Wait,
Salisbury
what?
steak.
Steak?
Rated A+.
Ooh.
Hey, Codsworth.
Enjoy your coffee, sir. Now sounds like someone made a sticky. I shall attend to young Shaw.
You know, I was nervous at first, but Codsworth's really good with Sean.
Hi. Sorry, Codsworth.
Codsworth.
Now, don't you touch the laundry. I'll take care of it.
What happens if I do? Will he kill me? I don't know. Okay. Where's my coffee like you said? I can't find it! Oh, here it is.
Can you get that? It's probably that salesman. He comes for you every day.
Is that doorbell
Grognak
always
the
ring?
Barbarian in the Jungle of the Bat Babies.
Like until
My
the door
favorite.
doesn't be answered. Holotape player. Oh.
Led by star pitcher Matt the Missile Murtaugh, Boston hopes to defeat Texas and deliver their first World Series victory since 1980.
Come on, just answer the door and he'll go away.
Economic news today.
Sorry, wife. Jeez, okay.
China reached an all-time high.
Good morning, Vaultec
Can I close the door on him? God dang it!
Good morning.
Morning.
Isn't it? You can't begin to know how.
What?
I'm here now.
So you are.
Right.
Now I'm here.
What the?
Go away.
Won't take but a moment. We do need to verify some information to make sure you're cleared for entrance in the unforeseen event of total atomic annihilation.
Ah! Fine.
Not going to.
Wife, can you take care of this?
Too much of your time.
Sure. Let's do it.
Splendid. Splendid.
Yeah.
Now, let's see.
Name. This is gonna be easy. Obviously, I'm gonna do this because that's my YouTube name. Oh, frick no. Games. Done. All the way. Yes, baby. No, just kidding. My strength is gonna be 4. Yeah, for now. Precipitation is environmental awareness and sixth sense and affects weapon accuracy in VATS. I don't know what precipitation is. Endurance. Oh, so this is my energy and how far I can run or whatever. I'm going to put that at 3. My strength at 5, actually. And my endurance at 4. It's your ability to charm and convince others. It affects your success to... I'm going to put that at 4. Intelligence. 5. Agility. Agility is a measurement of your overall 3. And then my luck is going to be the rest. Except, yes!
Wonderful. That's everything. Just...
Thanks again.
Hey, it's peace of mind. That's worth a little paperwork, right?
For you and Sean, no price is too high.
Drink
Good
my
answer.
coffee!
I have my moments.
Diplomacy all but suspended and eventual war
Sir,
is
Sean has been changed, but he absolutely refuses to calm down. I think he needs some of that paternal...
Hey, Codsworth.
Sir,
You heard Codsworth.
if I may,
Go on.
How do I...
Sean requires your personal attention. A boy needs...
How do I get up?
after all.
I can't get up. Oh, there. Just press A. I'll go to him. Oh, we have a dog? What?
Never gonna find that dog.
Oh, we lost it? Aw, that's sad. What do you want, Sean? Huh? Baby?
How are the two most important men in my
What the
life doing?
How did you get here so fast?
Spin the mobile a bit. He loves that.
What the frick is wrong with you? You're a devil! Sorry.
Hey, how's my little guy? Much better now, huh?
Wait, do you hear that?
Listen, after breakfast, I was thinking...
God dang it!
And do what exactly?
Sir, Mom, you should come and see this.
Sir, Mom.
Codsworth? What's wrong?
Oh God, it's happening. It's happening, isn't it? I prepared for this for years. God dang it!
followed by flashes, blinding flashes, sounds of explosions. We're trying to get confirmation. We seem to have lost contact with our affiliate stations.
The explosion, dear. It's happening. They're nuking.
Up coming in.
They're nuking us. Codsworth,
Confirmed
teleport us.
reports, I repeat, confirmed reports of nuclear detonations in New York and Pennsylvania. My God.
Oh God.
Oh my god.
We need to get to the vault. Now!
Oh God. What time is it? Or how long have we been recording? Oh, 17 minutes. Okay, I'll play a little bit more.
Let's go.
At least to 30 minutes because that's what that guy, aka definitely not my brother, said it took to stop recording at 20 minutes or 30. And I'm gonna stop recording at 30 minutes. Thank you, sir. Wait, what about the soldiers and stuff? How are they gonna get to safety? And not be oh, I can run. She'll be coming around the mountain where she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain where she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around. Let me in.
Not on the list. You don't get
I'm
in.
going in. You can't stop me.
Hey there.
Hey, move out the way.
We need to get in. We're on the list.
Infant, adult male, adult female. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Good luck,
You two,
man.
follow me.
God
Come
help
on.
us all.
What's gonna happen to all those people outside the
We're doing
gate?
everything we can.
They're gonna
Now keep
die.
moving.
That's what's gonna happen.
Step on the platform.
They're
in
gonna
the
die
center.
because they didn't sign on the list. Stand within circle. Where's my? Okay, there she is.
Almost there. We're gonna be okay.
Can we go down, please?
I love you. Both of you.
We love you too.
Please. Oh God. What happened? Who nuked us? Oh God. Go down. Go down. Go down. Oh God. Oh God. Holy frick. What happened? Who nuked us? For some reason I've been hearing that China nuked us in the game or whatever. But I don't actually know that.
We did it.
I'm probably gonna look it up after
We made
this
it.
video. Who nuked us?
We're okay.
What about all the soldiers
Everyone,
and
please step
the
off the
people?
elevator and proceed up the stairs in an orderly fashion. No need to worry, folks.
And then I think they like put
We'll
us
get
in
everyone
these
situated in
freezers
your
where they
new
freeze
home.
us. Freeze
Vault
us
111. A better
Freeze
future
us until like
underground.
tons of years. And then they let us go.
This way.
Because The ice freezes your cells so nothing happens, so you don't grow. And it's really cool. What's
Thanks.
this? How do I
What
open my
now?
inventory?
Just follow the doctor here. He'll show you where to go.
All right, you three.
Why?
Follow me.
It's down the hallway right there. This is our new home.
Oh, you're gonna love it here. This is...
Hey.
This way, please.
We're gonna love it. Oh, can I shut this?
Our home.
I can!
Father down in DC. Oh God, honey.
Sir?
What if they didn't make it?
I know this is a difficult time, but Vault-Tec will be with you every step of the way.
How long do you think we'll be down here?
Oh, we'll be going over all that. in
Years.
orientation. Just a few medical items we have to get through first.
The Vault suit is designed to be fashionable as well as comfortable.
Prepared for the future, right? Just step in here and put your Vault suit on.
Oh God.
The pod will decontaminate and depressurize you before we head deeper in the vault. Just relax.
Wait, is that glass or is that
Time
not
for a
glass?
whole new life.
Resident secure. Occupant vitals normal. Procedure complete. In
What's happening? Oh, we're freezing.
3.
Couldn't this kill you or no? I don't think it can. No. It just freezes your cells so they don't move at all, so you don't grow. Okay, the screen is totally white, which is hurting my eyes. Oh, I'm tired. What? Wait, what? How'd I wake up? I thought I was frozen.
This is the one. Here.
What? Wait, what? What? He has a pistol. He has a pistol. He has a pistol. What's happening? What's happening? Hurry, is that a vault worker? Is that a raider? Oh God, please. Please don't kill her. Don't kill her. Please. Please don't. Please. No! No! What? First of all, why did they even take Sean? My baby. Sean! No. That reminds me of that one game at the end where you just can yell Sean. I forgot what that game is called. But there's a glitch that you can just keep on yelling Sean even though you're at a cutscene. I can't believe they killed my wife. Can we let the others go?
Come on! There has to be a release!
Come on! Open!
Why would Vault do this?
Open!
Come on, come on, come on! Oh, God! I'll find who did this. And I'll get Sean back.
My wedding
I
ring.
promise.
Oh, God! Why can't I let the others go? We went this way.
Hello? Anyone?
I bet it's like 2,150. I don't know. Oh, inaccessible.
Please contact your Vault-Tec maintenance.
Oh! Oh! That's a cockroach. Oh. Oh! Please don't kill him. Please don't tell me I'm gonna have to fight cockroaches that make those noises. Like in Minecraft with the spiders that they added. Fucking fight! Fight! Wanna fight me? Trump! Oh god, I do have to fight cockroaches. Wanna fight? It's a rad roach, brother. Fight. Let's fight! What's it? Rad roach.
Giant
Oh!
roaches? What the
Rad
hell?
roach meat. Oh god, I'm not going in there because it's probably gonna kill me. Or will it? I don't know. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, oh god. Straw! Ow! Why can't I hold block? Take the meat. If I was this guy freaking punching rad roaches or cockroaches, what happened to this guy?
What happened here?
Exactly.
Where is everyone?
If I was a guy who had to fight rad roaches or cockroaches, I'd probably be squeamish. The power attack. It's the same thing. Let's transfer. Oh! So, how did I do that? I press X, but... Oh, what the... Is it this? No. Is it this? No. Oh, that's third person. That's cool. How do I freaking... I guess I can open my inventory later in the game. Pistol! Yes! We got a pistol! But how do I unequip it? I want to get my fists. I want to take my fists out so I don't have to waste the bullets. I can sleep. Oh, what? Oh, what? Drink? No. Oh, God. That's disgusting. Yes! Can I act? Okay. Dresser. Dresser? No. No! Carry. Oh. What? What's this?
Nice. Coming back later for you.
Ugh, dang it. Oh yeah, I saw that there's a glitch with your dog that you can open it. And you can like send it out to the case and he'll like secretly grab it or something. Red Rocket! I don't even know what that means, but Deadpool says it. It's probably something
Terminal's
that
gotta be
I
somewhere.
shouldn't know. Or inappropriate. Oh, I found a bobby pin! Yes! More money. Can I...
Terminal's gotta be somewhere. Lock's really strong.
Lock is too difficult. Well, you can go school. Oh, stim pack. Stim packs restore 30% of your max health, heal damaged limbs, and can be favorited for quick use. Oh, that's cool. What happened to you, good sir? You are a skeleton. Where do I go? Oh! Sorry. Is there like a map or something at least? Oh, I have to go up here. But the terminal! Ah! It's not in here. Oh, it's right here. God dang it, I'm so stupid and blind. Welcome to Robco Industries TM terminal. Wow. I press this. Okay, no, I do not want to holy frick. Open. Evacuation tunnel. What's a cryolator? Nope, screw that. Yes! Opened. Why can't I? Oh god, why can't I use it? What the f— oh, there. Die. 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 Wow, this is so easy. Oh, God. And disgusting. Okay. Ah! That's disgusting! Kill it! I can't shoot it! And I can't bring my fists there. And I can't bring my fists out. After I kill these red roaches, I'm probably gonna end the episode. Oh God. Or get out the vault. I think it's, which is right here. Nope. Right here? Oh God, there's more of them! It's an infestation or whatever you call it. Was I over here? I don't think I was. To perform melee attack while wielding a gun, press RB. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I was here before. Wait, maybe. Can I get in here? Yes, I can! Is there anything I can loot? Doesn't look. Oh, clipboard. Why do I need clipboards? Can I read them? Well, coffee. A coffee cup.
God.
Oh yeah, I was here. God dang it! I thought it was like the water pumping things or whatever. Because it looks like it in Fallout Shelter, that app they can download on like your iPods and iPhone. What? I thought I killed you! Ow! Die! Don't you dare kill me, or try to at least. Right here! Press it! Press it. Oh.
Interface required to activate vault door cycling sequence. Have a nice day.
Can I at least show an animation of like me pressing it instead of like doing nothing? Oh, Pip-Boy! Yes! I got a Pip-Boy! Now I can see a map and access my inventory, I think. I would love one of these things in real life. It would be awesome. Oh, it's dusty. Copyright 2000. Oh, it was only 5 years? Holy crap. What? Change tabs with RT or LT. What? What the frick? Where the heck am I? Where the heck am I? Ah! How do I? Okay, hi. That is so confused. No, I did not want. Oh my God. This game is so dang confusing. Oh, it does show an animation. Oh.
Vault door cycling sequence.
And then that thing.
Please.
Yep, just like in Fallout Shelter. That's so cool. It's like a gigantic key to a gigantic door. Oh, whoa! That is cool! Whoa! Oh, the light is so bright. Never seen lights in years. We finally get to go home. Do whatever we want. Can we? Just get freaking open. Can we freaking? Why can't I leave? Oh, there. What the? There it is. Get to go back up to the earth. So we could be born again. Well, like, I don't know what I'm saying. I did not know we were this deep. That did not look like it in the beginning. You want to change anything? Finished. Exits of all. I think I could come back here when I get the dog.
To the surface, and thank you for choosing Vault-Tec.
You are welcome. Cortana, Siri. Cortana and Siri. Ha! Too loud. The hacker perks. The hacker perk allows you to hack increasingly difficulty. Whatever. Difficult. I don't know. Leave me alone. I'm trying to read. Oh God, that's bright. Can we turn it down? Oh God. Oh, that's bright. What happened to this guy? Wow. Oh, Nuka-Cola bottle. Whoa! What's Rad-X? Medical liquid nitro dispenser. To throw grenades or place mines. Oh my God! Oh, I got a wrench! And I have a folder. What does this do? Oh. Well, anyway, I think that's enough. And if you like it, drop a like and subscribe, and I will be sure to show another episode. And I will see you all in the next one.